Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this drill bit set that I got online from the website Temu. When they say shop like a billionaire, they got a lot of stuff there that's cheap. Anyway, let's check this thing out. This set, it's kind of a small case, but I think they said there's 99 pieces in there or something like that. You get two each of the big ones, those and those, two of these, and then it goes to, oops, six. I think it's 6 pieces here, or 8. There's 8, 3 and 3, 8. There's 2, and then the little ones go up to 10. Anyway, I got my drill here, and I'm going to check it out and see how it is. Okay, let's check this out. I got my drill here. Yeah, no problem. So anyway, that's this drill bit set. I'll put the link down below to the site where you can look at them, check them out on Temu. Delivery only took like maybe a week or so. It's not real fast, but the shipping was free, so that was nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Later.